Most traders lose not because they lack talent, but because they're looking through the wrong lens. They were told to use the daily time frame for bias, and that's not wrong. But if you're scalping the 5-minute chart during New York Open, the daily won't save you. It'll confuse you. The daily gives structure. It filters out noise. It tells the story of where we are in the trend. But when you zoom into your entry chart, that bias can be too slow, even misleading. You'll miss moves, you'll chase breakouts, you'll think the market flipped when it was just a pullback on the 1H. The best traders don't blindly trust the highest time frame. They trust the one that speaks to their strategy. Here's the rule. Your bias should come from one level above your execution chart. If you trade the 5-minute, build bias on the 1H or 4H. If you trade the 1H, then yes, the daily is your bias. This keeps you grounded but responsive. Markets are fractal. What happens on the daily ripples into the lower frames. A breakout on the 4H becomes a retest on the 1H. That retest becomes your entry on the 5-minute. Same structure, different speed. The key is knowing which part of the story you're trading. Here's a clean example. The 4H gives us a bullish trend. Clear higher highs, pull back to support. Zoom into the 1H, we get a higher low. Inside bar, momentum building. Then the 5-minute, bullish engulfing candle. That's your trigger. You didn't predict, you aligned, you flowed with structure. That's how pros do it. Bias, confirmation, entry. No guessing, no noise. Most traders stick to one chart. They forget the market doesn't exist in isolation. They force setups on the 5-minute while the 4H is screaming in the opposite direction. Or worse, they trust the daily for a scalp entry and end up getting chopped before the move even begins. Mastery isn't about using the biggest chart. It's about using the right chart at the right moment. Trade your time frame. Anchor one level above it. That's how structure becomes clarity, and clarity becomes confidence. If your trades feel out of sync, your bias is probably off frame. Fix your frame, and your trades will finally make sense. Subscribe for more precision-driven frameworks like this one.